Two things. You cannot confuse your loyalty to the country with your loyalty to the parties. The SPLM as a party have disagreements, people can disagree, but they, like May 16, it's not they but that belong to the SPLM, they belong to all South Sudanese. So even if you disagree with the SPLM-led government or you disagree with Comrade Salva Kiir, there is حاجات العرب بيقولوا مسلمات مثبتات ثوابت بتاع الدولة ومن حاجات الثوابت بتاع الدولة if it doesn't matter which government is there you will celebrate the independence. So the people now who don't want to celebrate May 16 as historical, that get to show that one of the two things that happen with them. One, either you don't feel that you have been part of this struggle for the last 22 years until the time when we get our comprehensive peace agreement signed, and then followed by 6 years of referendum, and then the consequences of having South Sudan as a country, then you don't feel like it is your heritage. That's why you're leaving it to the few. Because if I am the SPLM from 1983, because the SPLM was all South Sudanese, it was not a particular region or was not a particular tribe. It was the struggle of all South Sudanese for the whole South Sudanese cause, even as far north as Blue Nile and Southern Mountains. They celebrate May 16 because they feel that they are part of that heritage. It is disappointing to see that South Sudanese, they don't feel that the May 16 it is their heritage because they disagree with Salva Kiir. Then if you disagree with Salva Kiir, don't disagree with South Sudan. South Sudan is a country. Salva Kiir, his day will come and go, another president will come. So what happened if you find yourself as a president? Would you celebrate May 16 as a historical day for South Sudan? What happened if you find yourself or your guy, the one you want to be the president? Would you celebrate the Independent Day of South Sudan? Or are we confusing the SPLM and the government and the country? We should separate the two. We should love our country no matter what. And if it's things that have to do with the nationalism, then we should all come together. So I will encourage our South Sudanese here in Arizona and in America in general and in diaspora in general, because this is where a lot of politics go on. Try to differentiate between your love to the country and your hatred to the regime. If you don't like the regime, that is your right, but love South Sudan, and let's all agree that we all love South Sudan and we'll do everything in our power to move South Sudan forward. And in this regard, I would really appreciate Comrade Benjamin. This guy never moved, not 1 inch from his position as the SPLM members from the days of Egypt up to here in Arizona, and he's been a chairman. And he always said, Alam Dama Bamshi Makan, we are SPLM until the end of the day. So, Mr. Chairman, I salute you. And I could have talked a lot and a lot and a lot. There is a lot of things to be said. But you guys told me it's 4. I was here at 5, and then I have to wait until 10. And my son is traveling today to school trips at 10. I have to go and pick him up and take him to the airport. So I will also excuse you if you allow me to go. But I'm here until next month, and I hope we will meet and we will share more. And let's salute and celebrate this great day, and the SPLM way, South Sudan way.